Roe punoni kwa e via vatungo na kabuni ni no muroata na vikai torodake. The secret of achieving something great na kabuni no muroa ni roata na vika lelevu se na vika ni torodake sembula torodake. So na babanda ni voltambu membalata na lesoningo ya kachuvango the secret to investment. The secret to investment. Ke vovili ka vovina kana lesoni on already some elements ni vakasama investment e chiukina. Yeah. And you chuko baka vosabato to bata. It was given or it is given in a parabolic way. Menurut pada wikimuni atau saran bantan na vosabato to bata. What is a parable? Vosabato balbale, iya vosabato balbale. Is it an actual event? Sento kana kai mbuli, sento na kai ayabandina,
kai mbuli.
Kambuli, okay. Na kambuli era ni mbuli mga may nandun na kanji na yado? Sanga? Kambuli sanga?
There are people, but we get people into reality.
Okay. Arwado na wasa de itaw. And dun itaw no mbuli, it's a made up story, but it does have some philosophical meaning or significance. Chiko murendo na message. Chiko murendo na tutulem. Sanga chiko me brandota ka kwa nandoni tutu kunga sanga chiko ni brandota rawa. In a way meratarara na baba sanga imbulio kwa ndo na kene bimbi meravere meratorao na kene tutu. Na vosa tu batango. Direi bertuaci ko babrusta ni bukan dulu. Isa macungan di tanah ilu na nona bombula ini, nona awu ke itu na teman-teman lagi. Sakit sa. So le read na from chapter 19 verse 1 or so. Di tanah ke sakit sa. Direi yang aku timbak ena vali sakit sa na orang tu sa fellowship ciu kita baca Yesus. Ena nona vale endo na teman tebutu niau, berarti orang ciu kita baca sama ni lapo. Terang? Orang ciu kita baca sama ni lapo. Orang ciu kita baca sama ni sangat di mulut tordake. Baca sama taki ceriko ni bonua. Ramon rubuat tal tonga na ngone ya. Sorat mata sa ciu kita sa desperate bersorat na mulut tordake. Sangai baca tak ciu cisu bulu gino kana konteks ya. Saya kau tal no ka ciu mo. Membalat na bosa batoto batani tini na paundi, se tini berana na minas, konela wuli dinari, ena bunoya. Kavia kabangata ciu na itala noya me rawan ni bitu kinoko na itala no membalat na nona mbula, se nona ilang lako ni sa yochi chichiko. It was the last journey of his life to Jerusalem before he was crucified. Okay? Dan ngayon malaban ni bitani tiken ni chulo mai. Tali chulo biya ni bangata ka chulo ko ya. E tini na tomata e solivere yan duwa na tikini lavo. But only 3 came back to him afterwards and gave an account. Salamat na kinimalmal ya. Why? Sababu ne bakina. Ya soli e chini na paundi leti na tomata sanga ilusunga mai le tolu erto mai solia na nono to buwa ni nakaka sen investment require na turanga kuturia Palestina. Okay, tungala mandana orto na characters. So this is the characters orto na chini. Okay, itu lor tolong main, lebih tu sini masih main. Okay, bertu na lor tolong main. Okay, nak kini matai. Ada apa nak kandor ni buli darah biar kau nak kini matai. Okay, akan dibangun ya asal buat dua. Enak orang sahal lesumai kena kau nak turang akal aku. Sanggai rere mo kau anggai mintu kuno buat asal buat nono akal. Sanga tuna ko kwa, okay, and do Australia, but I bring 10 more to you. Okay? Okay, ada mo na response so kwa na turanga, na ito okay ni business ya.
Great.
Well done, my
Okay.
good servant.
Tikin na vida?
Tinkavid.
Okay, well done, good servant. Sandi na nakaya vida nga, au salisi ko molewa na koroe, na koroe tini. Manandunga na dinari, manandunga na paundi lele suliwa, angai rotal mo kwe chini, sangai suliwa sa kwai chini tale na koro, 10 cities, may chansi ke no kaya, and of unga nindona responsibility lele suliwa ng mana. Angai nisma na kini karua, rota may 5, o siya mani suliwa 5 na koro, sangai lang mo ko na kini katolu, ko na main boy, and baka sa mga ngai lang may karakter binaka chigo be ko na kini katolu. Kaya wano gaya rito mabinaka kanibangon niya gaya lang mo ko yan matenga may sa duta saranga may tuwa na saranga may na excuses after excuses and matay ko yan ano na iliw-liw kaya choti sangay dunrubi ko ano iliw-liw kau tani may wala kasat tuwa sangay ito ni mga dumbiti ko itong tumba dunrubi meron ni sasangan sa tawaroko yan na ilaki ilaw maikan sila sila ilaki na na siluwa na itan na sila. Nabakasama ni boso batutu-batu om do nabakos ni sino ni kuwa. Ibito na kawangan na mundo nabakasama taka na kinongo. Ibito na kawangan na mundo nabakasama taka na nabakasama mo. Matay sa kanon turay na nambulan ni kuwa na turang na liu-liu ni business. So kuwa mbaka soli loan ni sila. Tara? O kana mabakasama taka na nambulan ni kuwa na turang a soli loan and singa. Okay, and ano murayo ko batagi ko. Once you sit down here today and reflect on the reading, o di saraman daw no lumanyo ko na turangaya. O di saraman daw ko. Bikamundo asengan ni ndo bikamundo achi na Pablo stadio o karamundo ko ni so na tama. Okay? O di saraman na turanga a soli loan se soli labumbeka and singa mertuli taka na lewe chini a sulubir nila. Today.
Makalo sa Jisu.
Okay, dan ni betul o chisu
Yeah.
Okay. O chisu o kwaya eba kami o kwato kana sega ni miti ko mai atuni bango there was a man with noble birth. Yeah? He went for a faraway trip somewhere so that he can be enthroned in his new position as a king. May ato pa naman na nag-listed by king. O kwa chisu imbita nga bagayala baya, but he just talk about himself. I want you to put yourself on that particular context. Ito kwaya, ya sa yocho chachunga no nilaola kung sa longa may Jericho, da may Jerusalemi, na chiunga kinabalilay, vagmati. Nakainduti ni kina nabo sa batutu batango mundo na bukan, nakainduti kina nabo sa batutu batango, because in this short story, in this short parable, Jesus just unfold the history about his life and his program in the entire Bible. He unfold das ragabako ko ni bolta butubo ko. Mayroon na mati na kawilatay, mayroon na bingarabi, mayroon na mati na kawilatay, no na tu na katali na mati. Kena na liste mai, kena may data na veli wani siga may muri, all was compressed in one particular parable. Sa kona parable ng baleta na leutin kasulvera na ilabo kena singa. Preda na titumbo ni baka sa mani boso bato to batang ko kaya ko to mga ono bipikta kay video na to ni boso chuna na lesson. Kaya ko to bang ni they hated him. Wera sulibira na ilabo. Era dhati kwa na turanga sulilabo bira. Kwa na toki ni dhaka. Era dhati kwa. Tikine bida. Cina dua, cina rua, cina tolu,
Tinikava.
cina kaba, boleh cina kaba?
But his subjects hated him, and sent a delegation after him to say, "We don't want him. Don't want this man to be our king."
We don't want this man to be our king. Okay, baka sama takaman da indo nangauna. Baka to kay gino chisu men non ratui. And they rejected him. Okay, next week kada man dala banu gino kada? Ada ba do kan sini mati? Na dirbatu. Ada ba kay labagi kina? Sana buana lube? Okay, sakalungata. Betul kan kamu nak punya David as a king in Jerusalem. Okay, talaga na baka sama ya, ngai mbiu tadi singa di mati. E dona ka ngai boleh bango na ul ko bolte di chisu di singa mati. Apa ba?
Suka petiso na tina.
Ngo chisu na no tui na kachi. Sa mbiu ya, try to connect these two dots. They praise him as son of David from the throne of David, a descendant of David. And then on the crucifixion day, Good Friday, they nailed something on the top of his cross to humiliate him, to insult him, son of a king, son of the king of the Jews. And then they weave a crown of thorns. Ano ba malmali crown? Betul. A crown of thorns. Not a real crown, but a crown of thorns. And they stuck it on his head. It was bleeding. Even though he was their boss, their king, he was their leader, but they rejected him. They want to get rid of him. In the Duruma Chukuna Baka somebody land room the Baka Solotu, and the Singanikwa, Baka Samatarachiko, Nanonan patience and Nanonan was sort in a color. Sabara. He knew that he will be rejected. He knew that the people hate him. Who are they? They were the Jews. His own people. His own people rejected him. Taramanda, mochigo lomani bubale, oigo tamo igo china, garto kedalan me morto sahabati go tu. And about that one regular money valley. But his own people, they hate him. They want to get rid of him. And how did they do that?
Laid him on the cross.
They get rid of him on the cross. Just in a parable. And was Nangataga Catholic, imbito ka baka mama chisu na baka sa mo. Second in detail sa ni graphic sa, but in a smooth way. Meraber to mertura me kala mertura. Ni unfold tango kwa na history na baruyado, na kind of baruyado in events. And on bulo bata. And then he went to a faraway place. And that is where he went up to heaven, to his Father, to the throne of grace, so that he can be installed to his role, to his position as a king. In a lesser mochisu, he will come back as a king on the throne. Kanto ne voltambu ya. In a lautal mokoya, and a lauban on a tutu baturanga. The great white throne, chungo the Revelation, chungo in Thessalonian, chungo in Matthew 25, the kenital no. And Allah may be back on a tutu, and sin may back at the Quasut may be one may pedilam. No, he will come back as a son of a king sitting on a throne because of the great judgment seat. And the other and a singer may move. Then two young go na tamata to doko, and the matani velaway the turanga, and the Torungikin, set up on a kind of Sadakava, and the Rupin on the mighty, no I can't hold down. The rather na kana matata na muna di ba na voltam and atikin ngo. Okay, na kabina kata menundusia na baka sa mundo na baka sa Lotu. Okay, let us put this into context, into reality. Kanda-kanda ng tataka ko. Kanda-kanda ng awawat yung nabengaw na. Total, tapos na kabo na rin ubuli na raw. Kanda baka sa mungo. Mera ni buke yawe, si buke iko. In life in general, as a man of faith, as a woman of faith, na katurin ni rida rawi ke, en ang mula ni Chisu ke ito na levi ngo. Kena ba tayo ngo? Don't ever misuse any given opportunity. When it is given, try to maximize it and use it to the full. Okay? Kaya mo ni batikiyaw, and a kasama ni parabolongo, and the yandua ke na paudi. Tanawa? We all have a common share. We share the same amount. Okay, we have the same frame. Sindo na tamate tultualingan. We have the same frame. We have the same kind of shape of brain. We have 2 eyes, and we have ears. That is part and parcel of that 1 pound that was given. Life is a pound. Life is a treasure. Life is a currency. Life itself is a currency. 24 hours a day is part of that currency. 24 hours a day, and your frame, you have a brain, a biological computer to process information. You have the strength of the body, and you have a 24 hours, and you have the resources out there. These are all the currency that Jesus was talking about here. Okay? Does that around? So but how you go and do about it, it is your responsibility. Sa solibeko vatekiao. Na nomulako kale dagataka say koya na karensia. When you're given an opportunity, grab it. Whatever opportunity. And those are an opportunity go nambula yuke. I want to give this to you. Nambula sa mandaga yuke go. Sa do masalaga an opportunity. But how can you grab it? How can you master it? How can you maximize or use it to the full? Nabuli and do an opportunity. Navavak and do an opportunity. It's absolutely want an opportunity, grab it. Because that opportunity can open other opportunities. Sembari tu nilang ser na mataser na mga si London. Ang kacho bangor ko if we do this well, to perform we maximize our best in this opportunity, it will open other opportunities. But this is the platform na to loko mo. Ito sa mukuto benaka, and ang dalawa tayo naka to mo may muli. Kung tinang sa may London, martukin nila lamaram mo to sa friend to what they speak in Paslam. Facebook what to sa FaceTime what to manasinga. Even since last week. Alam talaga na kung email, mertusurik talaga na matasere, mertulilang sere, and andun na venue elevo haksara. Kana lem sarata matarichiwa kina, sa kwa na daban World Cup ni rugby league na daga may Rochdale by Manchester. When you maximize, when you see an opportunity, grab it, maximize it, use it to the best of your ability, because that will open another doors of opportunity in the years to come. You have your own stories. So own stories of success. I will live to know, but time is so limited. To sa to man ngalito ni matsebe. But the live can to kilabina to matsebe. Yeah. And never to no matsebe so to member. But you have to be part of that committed group. So you can perform in that group. Because we believe in a bigger vision. Okay? Because we believe in that opportunity. Once we grab that opportunity, God can bless us. Okay? Can you go? Manalesson chik ni mo sa matutuwa. Can you go? All leaders in whatever institution, whether it's church or the secular institution, all leaders are looking for trustworthy and capable individuals whom they can invest on for the benefit of their institution, the bad business. E vangara tu ne liu kedenga. Ba wili kino na kalo, e sona tamata capable, trustworthy, people of value, people who can do the job. Because those kind of people are people that is worthy to be invested on in this life. Nara sochia na nara recruit na sama itu meri karena dah buat beli serangan na nara bulan tu standard. Ebe begitu ke na nonra core values. Satu na values sebab beli tu mai bana sangai tu tanda values sebab beli tu na matewan. Because I British soldier is a British soldier. Itu na frame no mula le buna ka. Will ke no kila ka mai ban ke na no mula ni ke na multa ke no nei tobu. Membulu tu bukan tu na sotie ni mula tangani. So bukan na sandola ka masana sotie sa dom bukan uniform. Ngule bukan tu na mula. Siapa tahu? Isali ngunum biya bago. Ya li bukan tu na core values. Nisala kanya ya li bukan tu kakete. Untuk mana lumba cukup ni untuk bawa polisi, untuk kacabango. Isal kamu tu bawa korang uniform. Remember, beyond that uniform, it's a model of your own core values. Kau yang shape tegi kucuko. How to relate to a female, how to relate to a civilian member of the society, and how to relate to your comrades and also to your chain of command. Your values, all leaders and all boss in every institutions are looking for capable individuals. Kalau tak ada bos ni biar berada tu taki, and bos mana tu baka. Kalau tu ni boleh tahu lah, you just testing the water. Selain bertu na talent is, selain bertu na ilavo, bertu na invest kina, bertu capital. Sangai komereda how they gonna play around with it. Okay? Ya, nakaitali tu na baka sama ko. They are capable to do it. They are so creative. They just make up their mind. They just go in there and apply whatever they can do. Okay, try to be very creative. And satu wike. Okay, try to be very creative. Try to dream dreams. Have a bigger vision. Kako no sala mai biti. Na matanga ni mentality nga mai na venue nga mai na kor se buku ko tremeke. E bar dem kula nga mai na koro. O tu abang ko na non lelain. O tu abang sa rin bani mata sawa na vendo ko na kakete. Masalo mo sa kwa ka ng grupo. No, we are living in a bigger world. Think big. And most of all, we believe in a big God. Kalu lebo. Usulit tong kando ritutupo na ka. Sa wala nga ni kanga boyango, it's for whole life. May challenge tagi ko. Think big. Think beyond yourself. Have a bigger vision. Lebo na kaurin rawata. Ano no milo lako. Yan na kakunya li bondo. Rawata binango. E dirchu me du au tunchu ni komen lama. E dirchu me lama mo na baka sama di promotion. Kundo lenga takatu na promotion na sana dabaga. Promotion ni mula mo bubale. Sana kelenga dadak se daba. Kan secret nga. Otomatan dina. Bata cash endo tani matanggali appeal chukina. Where kedra tamata workers, all the workers are known by their masters, by their leader, by their manager, line manager. It was a tamatan dina, tamatan do kataka, trustworthy na promotion and ngay basi ka ba tay kwa ngamay. Do tale, sa kwa na kosongo na don't go na baka sama ni dere. Try to conquer your fear. Kaya baka narangatan chiko na bitang nata ka chiko na sumato to batango o ko na katolo ni tamata. Ata ba no na lang. Tuchubango kani chubango ni sa tamata bu disa sinda katakan do na ka kay kani karwa. Tuchubango ko ya aware na bagi kemo ni ko ni sa tuloy tamata ba do bumbula. Ibu tu mami ona nere kita total neman main da William. Total neman ni sa duri da William ya. Dong na tamate basi no baka sama. Ferro, atanto ferro in da William. Bukan ay bukarero tu ko da William. Ni sa teketo ko ando na kawi na loma ni rara da William. Kina kuila tom damu, kuasa na to mo gito se o tax la manara lelin se da William. Ya na kone ready mo kina sambo ka. Kita tambamu so tinamu se tama. Na bosa kita ka simber borong ka na ronga bantu ni singa. E bantu ya utal tele mani. Kada ndu sandi tuno no the fears. Tuno the rele. E basi utal tunga na bosa bato to batango. Orang na leru eliu, ortu rele keke chipo. But they know how to deal with their fears. Orang na leru. That's why they progress and move on. Yang dua bulungan, ya tu bulungan me bisuki kau tu nona rere. Yang 6 bulan kau ele pun nak kaya barikan tu, fear of the unknown, ya, fear of our limitations. Kau yang tak kau tu bulungan lebih singa. Kalau seni kau rebe nak, those will become your own demons. Yang hon tak ikut tu nabi pun nak kita ngalokin. Ninduna opportunity lang may banggo may ko, yang kau kata kau ngofia. Mana sekali kalau ikut nabi nak kau opportunity ya. Na puno ke tole lang sir ke London ya sidi puno roron lang sir ya. Sidi puno roron lang sir. Asa ngai bandi tegir toto ma sir. Kuni rere. Na kalau wala mati ken to. Kalau na bad na kalau na replace tek ken to ike. Libu na ka libu baranda rota. Girls, children, if you are studying now, you may be having some of your own fears. Okay, this reading is all for us, all meant for us. Okay. Don't be succumbed by own fears. The defeat of the Russian army in Ukraine reflect the same thing. Big army, but they have fear. But if you look at the Ukrainian people, okay, they're a small army, but they fight with a real heart of bravery as they fight against the Russian army. That's why they were able to defend their country. Okay? It applies in all areas of life, whether it's study, think about the future, think about your life. You may have your own personal fears. Parents too. When you turn on personal fears, try to rise above your fears. Okay, make plans, dream dreams, believe in your ability, and trust God that He can guide you through. Okay, in church, blessings and curse. Kali chigo biao na bosa zabu to kone to ke ni bitini singo ka tu bango kwa vero na leurwa tamantayanga tamanta binaka ndo na bosa ba ta chuga good servant faithful in little things, now I've given you 10 more cities to look after. Good servant. Nambulan indo bingarabi, servanthood attitude. Kambiti kwa to kamay na bosaya blessings. Na tamatan daw bingarabi, na muri ko ito ili mo na bosa benaka na bingauna. Kaya naman yata sa rin doon nga, may sabi nindo, kawita ka ito, nakawaka chiko. But keep on doing what you're doing. Keep on serving. O chisu no nalamay, ya kauto mo ko na ng bulan nito, kunin daw bingarabi. Ya ambulo tu, baka yung duwan ng daw bingarabi. Benda darmakan ni sulin daw bingarabi. Enda na kaseti, enda na rain sombu, enda na mbedi, enda na balewai, enda na tabatali na kabre-bre na kabikenda. Just look at Christ. Christ in Jesu Kristo nga. Enda nga wala sa taubo na kakena nga. Sanggay tinibango, sanggay labiti kwa nakalu, Filipay wa serwa. Sanggay taubo na bibradere tuto ko. Isay kwa na lumini kalu do bingarabi. Nabosongo. Tambata vinaka. Tamatayanga. Sayang na kaibigan nga. Duro ke na mara ninomuturan. Kailan ako saya, wawatu. Kenda kede, na missing. Wawatu na ko saya. Ya bisa barang apa marne puna, usah kata marne puna, untuk na taro, kena kata mana taro. Kaya baka salah mani ko Jisu. Kesalah mo Jisu ni kuat. Kesama ni tarangi ko. Misa tarang ave ko nanona ilabo, nanona investment ko silevi ko. Ada ba na numisa ni taro ko. Kasi di kata mo somengo. Ako kana mo gai samachunga ba tigi ko. Kesalah mo Jisu vi ko ni kuat. When you meet Jesus today and he asks you, where is my share that I gave you, that I invested in you? What have you done with that? But the anataro, and a torongo kwa memuri, and a sila no biluai. And a torangikina, se vava na kanda sadakava, and a bukino na mai mati, and a cover time. Kusamasu.